Assalamualaikum students. From Green Camera School System, I am Hadi Jilani. Today we are going to learn English and it's our 11th lecture. In this lecture we are going to read about I. It's the capital form of I and it's the small form of I. Okay? In this picture these are ice bars. Okay students? These are ice bars. Okay? And we will say I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Okay students, you like ice cream? Yes. Okay, in the next picture, it's an insect. It's an insect. I for insect. Okay, I for insect. It's an iguana. It's an iguana. And iguana belongs to the lizard family. Okay students? Iguana belongs to the lizard family. Have you ever seen a lizard? Yes, you have seen a lizard. Okay? Look at the next picture. It's an iron. It's an iron. I for iron. Okay? I for iron. Practice how to write I, the capital form, and the small form. Okay students? Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.